Welcome to this video on microprocessors and microcontrollers. We will explore the fundamental differences and architectures of these vital computing components. Microprocessors and microcontrollers have distinct roles. The microprocessor is focused on processing data, while the microcontroller is designed to control a system or device. The 8085 microprocessor is a generalist processor requiring external components. It includes an arithmetic logic unit for calculations, a control unit for managing signals, and a register array for temporary data storage. The CPU communicates with memory through three main buses. The address bus locates memory, the data bus transfers binary information, and the control bus directs system traffic. The microcontroller is a dedicated specialist, integrating an entire computer on a single chip. It contains internal RAM and ROM, built-in timers, serial ports, and operates embedded systems. The 8051 microcontroller manages specific hardware tasks. It stores variables in 128 bytes of RAM, program code in 4 KB of ROM, and connects to devices through 4 input/output ports. Special function registers control microcontroller peripherals. Examples include the PCON register for system power, SCON for serial communication, and TCON for operating system timers. The architectural scaling matrix shows that 8-bit controllers process 1 byte for simple tools. 16-bit controllers process 2 bytes for complex appliances, and 32-bit controllers process 4 bytes for large embedded networks. Advanced RISC machines, or ARM processors, utilize a reduced instruction set computer architecture. They are fundamental in modern embedded technology because they execute simple instructions quickly and consume minimal power. Microcontrollers interact with the physical environment through interfacing. Analog to digital converters read external sensors, system ports drive visual displays, and pulse signals control stepper motors. The serial peripheral interface connects integrated circuits at high speeds. One master device controls the communication clock and selects individual slave devices, and data flows sequentially. The inter-integrated circuit bus, or I2C, connects slow peripherals over a simple 2-wire bus. Multiple master and slave devices can exist on one network, using unique addresses for identification. Real-world embedded systems perform dedicated tasks repeatedly. They are found in washing machines, automotive anti-lock braking systems, and managing urban traffic light grids. This technical foundation helps engineers achieve crucial educational outcomes. They learn to analyze complex system problems, design safe and sustainable solutions, and utilize modern diagnostic tools. The complete control journey involves internal architecture defining computational power, integrated peripherals defining system capability, and communication protocols defining the external reach of the system.